aloneness even in city, yearning for recognition as what we see will see us faithfully, equally so. We miss sometimes, so now we remember, time before time and again. See our Father, see our Mother, and those beyond, singing in the trees and climbing in the woods beyond. Singing in the trees and climbing in the woods.